I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open your photo and immediately convert the background into a smart object. This preserves original data and enables reversible edits. Check image size and set resolution to 300 dpi for print or desired pixel dimensions for screen. Target pixel dimensions before upscaling so you know output goals. Duplicate the smart object layer and rename it for edits. Use layer masks to isolate adjustments and avoid destroying original pixels. Save a working PSD with version names as you progress. Open the camera raw filter and perform exposure, contrast, and clarity adjustments first. Reduce noise with luminance noise set between 10 and 30 depending on image grain. Increase detail and sharpening moderately inside camera raw before leaving. Convert the filtered layer to a smart object and then apply Smart Sharpen with amount 150% and radius 1. 0px for crisp edges. If compression artifacts remain, use filter noise median at 1 to 3 pixels to smooth blocks. Mask these filters to preserve fine texture where needed. Create a merged visible copy and apply high pass at radius 1. 5px for micro sharpening on overlay or soft light. Adjust the high pass layer opacity between 30% and 60% to taste for natural results. Perform a final selective dodge and burn using 10% opacity brushes to shape perceived detail. Export using File Export as at your target pixel dimensions, set quality to 90, and convert to sRGB for web delivery. Inspect the exported file at 100% and compare with the original image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.